Hi, I am Alex, from Essential Web Apps. In this video, I will explain why you need analytical data from your website, and why you need to know about Google Analytics. But, before I go further, we make videos regularly. If you want to see videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, and click the bell icon for notification. So, what is Google Analytics? Well, it's a fantastic software by Google that allows you to track and analyze all of your website traffic. Traffic is just another word for the visitors to your website. Google Analytics is a tool that you must have. For anyone who is interested in growing their website with digital marketing, then she or he should know about it. So, what does Google Analytics allow you to see? Well, it lets you see a lot of things like how many visitors you're getting to your website, and where are they coming from, like Google, YouTube, Facebook. How long are they spending on your website? Which pages are they clicking on? And also including what is their age, their gender, what city or country they are from, what device they are using, and so on. You can also categorize them according to their interest, and can also see what time of day you are getting most of the visitors. So, having a website, but not having Google Analytics is like walking on the street blindly. You will have no idea where you're going, and you'll just lost, without reaching destination. So, if your destination is to grow your business, then this is important. So how does Google Analytics works? Well, let's say Molly has a website, and the main goal of this website is to sell lipstick. Now, let's also say that she runs ads on Google, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So now, she has 4 different ways to find her website. Now she installed Google Analytics on the website. By this, she will install a special code that will be inserted into her website to help with tracking. And for this, she doesn't need to know any coding. So, that code will then track from where her visitors are coming, so that she can see which ad or which platform is generating more or lesser traffic. Or it will also let her know whether the video ads are working better than the picture ads, and lots of other detailed data. And, those visitors are on your website. Google Analytics will also let you see how many people are bouncing off from your website, and where they're bouncing off. Like, is it on the home page, is it on the landing page, your product page, or are they bouncing off at the checkout cart? That way you can figure out what you need to improve on your website, so that you can keep people going down that way to purchase your product. So, there you go. Now you know why you need to know about Google Analytics. You can comment below if you have any questions. And, if you want to know how to install Google Analytics, let us know that too. We sure will make a video for that. Finally, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, I will see you in the next video.